Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of project management as a career option. If you've ever considered steering your career in this direction, then you're in for a treat. Project management can be a lucrative and satisfying career option, but it's not for everyone. It can be tough to navigate all the demands placed on you as a busy PM. To help get you started, we're unpacking the top 5 things you absolutely need to do before embarking on a project management career. So, let's dive in. 1. Understand the role and responsibilities. Firstly, let's demystify the role of a project manager. What is it that project managers actually do? A project manager isn't just about overseeing tasks. It's about being the visionary behind a project, ensuring that every piece aligns with the bigger picture. Done well, it's a leadership role as well as a management role. They are the bridge between ideas and execution. This means understanding the project's goals, aligning the team's efforts, and ensuring resources are used efficiently. It's also about foreseeing potential roadblocks and having strategies in place to overcome them. Think of it as being the captain of a ship. You need to know where you're going, ensure your crew is aligned, and navigate through storms. 2. Get educated. Knowledge is power, especially in project management. While you might have a degree in another field, specialized project management courses can help to give you the tools specific to this role. Being a subject matter expert can be helpful, but in itself, it's not going to make you a great PM. Certifications like PMP or CAPM are not just acronyms to add to your resume. They provide frameworks, methodologies, and best practices that are globally recognized. Many employers will only hire certified PMs. Also, consider workshops or seminars that focus on niche areas of project management, like agile methodologies or risk management. The more you know, the more employable you are. 3. Gain relevant experience. Before you lead, you have to learn. Start by shadowing experienced project managers. Understand their daily challenges, how they handle team dynamics, and how they manage stakeholder expectations. Take on smaller projects. This could be organizing an event, leading a small team initiative, or even managing a community project. Document your successes and challenges. This will not only be a learning experience but also a portfolio to showcase to potential employers. 4. Develop essential soft skills. Being a project manager is not just about charts and timelines. Although they are important, effective communication is paramount. This means not just speaking but actively listening, understanding non-verbal cues, and being able to convey complex ideas simply. Develop your leadership style. Are you a democratic leader, a transformational leader, or perhaps a mix? Understand what drives and motivates your team. Cultivate resilience. Projects rarely go exactly as planned. Being adaptable and staying calm under pressure will set you apart. Check out our recent video on project management soft skills for more information on why they are so critical to project management success. 5. Network with professionals. Your network is your net worth. Engage with project management communities both online and offline. Platforms like LinkedIn or project management forums are gold mines for insights and connections. Attend industry conferences. Not only will you learn from the sessions, but you'll also meet peers, mentors, and potentially future employers. Consider finding a mentor in the field. 3. Their guidance can be invaluable in navigating your project management journey. There you have it. A deeper dive into the preparatory steps for a career in project management. Remember, it's a journey of continuous learning and growth. Equip yourself, stay curious, and keep evolving. If you found this video insightful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Until next time, keep leading and keep growing.